Good morning, everybody. Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Today is day number 29. I can't believe it. It's our second to last day of the Mature Skin Makeup Challenge, where I'm doing 30 products from 30 different brands in 30 days. We've done so many different things, and so many things have been really great, and some things have been not so great, but I am going to do a review at the end when this is all finished. And I will talk about what products that we have covered that I really liked and what I wasn't so keen on. So stay tuned for that. But today we have an eyeliner, and I don't think we've done an eyeliner yet. So I thought it would be fun to do one. And I picked this one because of the color mostly. It's a very affordable brand. This is Annabelle. It's a Canadian brand. And I just thought, I looked at this color and I thought it looked so great. So anyway, this is going to be our product for today. So here it is again. I'm just going to read off of the very small print on the eyeliner here. This is a retractable eyeliner, which is great. Some of them don't do that. It also says it's ophthalmologist tested, and I will swatch it for you. There you can see it's got a bit of a pointy end. So this is a nice olive green color. Can you see? It's coming off more brown in the camera, I can see, but it really is an olive green. Very nice and deep, and it's very soft. So we're going to give that a go. I just wanted to show you too, there's also a sharpener in the other end. So you don't have to worry about that. You can sharpen it. So here we go. I've put on my base, my foundation, and I've also put on my eyeshadow, which is from the Morphe palette that I reviewed in an earlier video on this makeup challenge. So beautiful colors in that palette. I don't know if you've seen the video, but it has 35 shades in it, and it's really a lovely, lovely palette. So I've been enjoying it. So here we go. I have my little mirror. I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to do the outer corner on the top, and then I'm going to go in 3/4 of the way on the bottom. So here we go. This is very nice and soft. I'm going to try and just kind of poke it in the corner here too. Give my eye a little bit of a lift. So there we go. Can you see the difference? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go away and finish up my look. I will clean this up and do my concealer underneath as I always do, and I'll do the other eye, of course. And I will come back to you with my finished look. But so far I'm liking this a lot. It's a very pretty green. It's deep and olivey, but it's very, very pretty. Here's my finished look for today. The eyeliner is on, as you can see. It's a very deep green. I quite like the color. So the test for the eyeliner, of course, will be to see if it stays in place, doesn't fade, doesn't melt into nothingness. I have some that do that. It's still a mystery to me where they go. But anyway, it's holding up so far okay. I did the rest of the makeup. I have a red lip on, the Essence lip liner that we did way back in the beginning of this Mature Skin Makeup Challenge. I will go away now and have my day, and as always, I will check in with you at noon, and we'll see how the eyeliner is holding up. Here, I'm actually in a car today doing my well, it's supposed to be a lunchtime check-in, but it's actually almost 2 o'clock now, and I had some errands to run, so I rented a car, and we are here to check in on the eyeliner. So I'm going to take my glasses off. Now you can see it's moved, and it hasn't stayed on as well as I would like. So that's disappointing. I would have to say this is not a long-lasting eyeliner. I still like the color though. but definitely not, I mean, it's there, but it's patchy, and you can see in here it's moved around a little bit. So not perfect, not horrible. It didn't disappear completely, which sometimes happens. But anyway, that's the check-in for today on this Annabelle Peacock shade eyeliner. And I just wanted to let you know, if you're enjoying this video and the content on my channel, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build a community all over the world of fabulous women who love life and love beauty and fashion, and exploring inner beauty and outer beauty and all the fun things that, you know, we have in this world to enjoy together. So if you would like to be a part of that, please like and subscribe. So here's Bonnie to say goodbye at the end of our video. Do you like my red lips? Hmm? She is always here at the end with me to say goodbye and ask you, if you like this video and the content on my channel, please like and subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. And until next time, Bonnie, we're going to say bye-bye. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Bye-bye now.